Hey guys, what's up? This is how to create a zoom in time stop effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Step 1, have your video layer on the timeline. Click Position and Scale. Step 3, move 20 frames to the right, or hold down Shift and the right arrow key 4 times. Once your video clip is highlighted, go to Effect Controls, click Motion. This icon. Make this where you want to center. In this case, you want her face. Go Effect Control, click Motion, and then zoom in on the scale. Go back and click here, and move it to where you want to focus. Next up, click on the video clip and click M to mark, so we have a marker. So this is what this looks like. The next step is to create a cut. Click on the video, right click, click Insert Frame, hold Segment. This part of the video you can delete. Click on the video clip, click Effect Controls, and change the rotation to whatever you want. In this case, 5 degrees. So this is the before, and this is the after. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorials.